DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 46,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially here, first thing on the list with Trump media is going to be that this is a bearish market. It's one heck of a bearish market. Like, even if I pop here, you will see that I have about 5 receipts in the Discord. Let me come here. Oh yeah, this would have been such a great sell. Kind of missed it, kind of went down without me, but I'm telling you, it's still like a supply zone here. And if there's like some sort of a double break, we'd look to take it down. Randomly selling, it's not happening, so that's where we are. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get free money making emails and insight, just click the first link in the description, and I will obviously continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.